in this video, I am going to show you how you can downgrade your Samsung S21 FE. Okay, as per my friend is keep asking me to make a video for him about that. You can see 15 hours ago, and he is asking me to make a proper video on the downgrade, and you are seeing my screen, and the screen is showing with you with my mobile how to downgrade in S21 FE 1 UI 827. Okay, let's get started without wasting the time. I would like you to download Odin Samsung software like I already downloaded and USB driver Samsung USB drivers. Okay, I already installed this USB driver. You can see. Okay, you can see the Samsung user driver have already been installed, so I don't need to reinstall them again. So let's move to the smartphone, and you are seeing the smartphone and the top down. I'm using another smartphone, Samsung A13, but I will give you the steps one by one that will help you to understand the things and how it works well. Okay, I would like to go to the sampa.com to find the exactly firmware website, firmware file, and the Excel file that we need. Okay, so let's move to the Sampa and check the IMI. Okay, you are seeing my Samsung screen and about phone. I'm going to about phone, and you can see the IMI numbers. And first, I would like to install. I would like to enable developer options to connect the USB data cable from smartphone to the laptop, and I would like to do build number up to 7 times. You are seeing the screen. Okay, now I will put the password. Okay, you are seeing the developer option has been enabled. I would like to go back and again back. Okay, about the phone, you are seeing the developer option is enabled, and now I am going to downgrade bottom and see OEM unlocking. If you are planning to root your device, you can do an OEM unlock, or just for USB debugging, you can click here and you are seeing allow USB debugging. I would like to do yes. Okay, yes. Now go back and I would like to know my IMI numbers to check my IMI smartphone. Okay, 350768590235 and 055. Okay, with this help, you will easily get your smartphone exactly firmware file and region of your smartphone. Okay, you are seeing properly and the smartphone color, everything. Now click on the download firmware file. I would like to click here and it's running and it will move me. Okay, this is the same guideline you can do yourself for your smartphone because currently I have no Samsung S21 FE, so that is why you can even check your IMI or Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, so you can easily find out your smartphone. Okay, now I would like to go here and you can see the prop technical things is okay. I would like to show you that if you go to the about and software information and build okay, build number, you are seeing the screen as well. Build number, and you are seeing exactly 4 digit of the end of the build number. There is EZB2. You can match your smartphone B2 smartphone name as well. And Android version 14 currently I am using. You can easily check your smartphone version. There will be 16 up to. Okay, let's download these files. Okay, now go back and you are seeing the file size 4.23 GB file sizes. Okay, you can easily download like there have. Or currently I have no much space or no much time to waste your time. So I would like to choose the file that is up to 6 MB to save your time. Okay, I would like to refresh. Now I would like to download this because you have to do all the files download and then upload them on the Samsung Odin software. Okay, you are seeing Samsung Odin software. Now I would like to open it. Okay, you are seeing the Samsung Odin software on the screen. Yeah, okay, no problem. I would like to go back and okay, now you can see you can upload your BL file. First, let it download properly. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, let's see. Has it download? Not. You can do the same thing for your all steps and make them manual process because it is very problem will be you will face. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, I would like to go to the another option. Okay, you can see the download like this. Okay, yeah, Samsung, and then here I would like to save the file there and see the file has been downloaded. Okay, now extract the file here. I avoid 4 GB file because I have no space and I have no time to keep your time wasting while downloading and installing. That's all. Okay, the file has been available BL file, and you should check your. You should save it. You should connect your smartphone with your data cable to the laptop, and you are seeing the BL file has been installed. Now I would like to start once I add full all files. Okay, that's all. I hope you understand the process. After once is complete, okay, once you edit all the files and then you need to switch off your smartphone and then you need to power up and power down a smartphone button. Keep continue once you will see the blue screen on the smartphone. Okay, you will easily make your smartphone downgrade, and this is the simple tutorial. I hope you understand. My brother named Irsa will meet in another video. Thank you for watching. If you are facing any problem, any issue, you can easily comment on the video. Thanks, thank you so much. That's all for now.